Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says 4x to the 6th y, all raised to the 3rd power. Since I'm raising a power to another power, I'm going to use the power property, which says if I raise one exponent to a higher exponent, I have to multiply those together. So I will have to raise every item inside parentheses to the 3rd power, remembering there's a hidden 1 on the y. So first I'll raise the 4. 4 to the 3rd power is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Now I'll look at the base x. X to the 6th raised to the 3rd power. I'll keep the base x and multiply the exponents. 6 times 3 is 18. Now I'll look at the y base. Y to the 1st raised to the 3rd power. I'll keep the base y and multiply 1 times 3 and get 3. So my answer would be 64x to the 18th, y to the 3rd.